welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it is your first time here, sit back, relax, and enjoy. And if you're a returning subscriber, I truly appreciate you. So apparently, anytime I want to undo this African hair of mine, it's usually this cold. So out here, it's super cold, but it's alright. Although sometimes they say when it's cold and you're doing your hair, it is usually very painful. But nonetheless, we have to do this. So please like this video and subscribe. So what I had as my protective hairstyle was some bantu knots, but now because I am removing, that's why they are like this, split as if they are curly somewhere. So let's do this. So I'm using this, a comb, a sharp this side. When you're undoing your hair, you have to use something that is sharp and ensure that you're starting from the ends so as not to cause hair breakage. We're avoiding that. What I'm telling you, I have history with this hair of mine while trying to grow it. But anyways, this is happening. We have to undo them. And also I will be uploading a video whereby I am doing some protective hairstyles. So make sure that you subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you don't miss out even on that one. Okay? Do you have any growth? Because I think we have lots of growth, even if it hasn't stayed for long. You can see the way it's looking. Even if we haven't stayed with the hair for that long. Ni hao nilikupenda bila fahamu. How does that song go? Okay, I'll show you how to undo the hair. Maybe you are wondering, this person is just going through with the comb, even not showing us a thing. I'm just trying to look if there's any improvement on my hair at the moment. I'll show you with the front ones. I think those ones will be much easier. Yes. Woman, you run things. Let's talk on this other side. Ouch. Oh my goodness, it's about to rain. It's about to rain. So I hope guys up to now you like getting, you just pushing down at the below part kabisa here down. That's where you put, the object that you're using to undo your hair. Hmm? Voila. And if you've noticed, I am after, like immediately after combing, like undoing it, I'm detangling using my fingers, my hands, that is, first, because please like my video, share, leave a comment down below, tell a friend, tell a friend. So it's time to comb. We'll not be using that small comb to do that, because you can break the hair a lot. Oops, there's one here. So I'll combing it in small pieces, portions, that is, divisions. I don't know what you call them. Woman, you run thing. Please like this video. Please like this video. Share it out. Comment down below. Watch my other videos. Let's catch up on the next update.